This video will demonstrate the tutorials on channel travel setting and physical button mapping for the UniRC 10 Pro, which can be used as a reference for control settings on various platforms. Channel traveling setting. Open the UniGCS. Click on the settings option. Locate the channel settings option. Select the target channel. Enter the minimum and maximum values for this channel. Then, you can adjust the travel range of this channel. Servo Reverse. If you need to set the control direction opposite to the action direction of the corresponding device, no need to adjust the hardware. Simply adjust the Servo Reverse function. Just select the target channel and turn on the reverse switch. Channel mapping. This function is used to customize the mapping between physical buttons, joysticks, and communication channels. For example, map the L3 button to channel 6 to control the gimbal roll. After mapping is completed, when you operate a physical button, the corresponding communication channel will output a signal simultaneously, helping you easily achieve customized control of multiple loads to meet the complex control requirements of professional equipment. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us directly.